Hi guys, sorry for being a little bit late. Here's my October video. Better late than never. This year I have been filming and collecting moments of my life and putting them into monthly videos for you guys. So let's jump back to the very beginning of October 2025. We started the month in New York City.
I just got fucking engaged, motherfucker. Song that I think I introduced her to a few years ago by a singer named Ben Folds that I just love, that I think about when I think about Claudia.
Oh my gosh. Gotta be crying.
The venue was just insane to be like surrounded by these trees and have the city skyline behind them. We also celebrated Lucy's birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Hooray! Hooray!
Oh wow. Wait, I'm just seeing shadows. Oh no, I'm seeing that. Yeah. All in the crevices, yeah. Yeah, they're flying. Where are they flying to? Just like they're waking up for the day?
Welcome to October, Claudia fans.
Lots of cute festive moments. We went to Descanso Gardens, obviously had to carve some pumpkins, watch a couple movies. We actually fell asleep every single night watching a Halloween movie. It would usually take us like a few nights to get through each movie because we would just watch like 20 minutes and then pass out.
Her hackles are out, Claudia.
No way. Oh my God. She's so excited. Oh, taking it away. Oh. No, not outside. I'm gonna go bury this.
Give me this.
I'm gonna go bury it.
Give me this. It's not a rip. Can I have it? Thank you.
She's so excited. Dude, biggest smile on her face. Oh. I mean, what do we do now?
No, she can't have it.
She can't have it.
I think it would like be harmful for her to
For her teeth, I agree.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, take them out. Oh, buddy.
Ooh, it smells good.
Guys, I did not pay them to say this. A couple weeks ago, I posted an Instagram story that said like POV, your bestie brings beet soup to the movie theater. And many of you guys asked for the recipe. This is my mom's. You'll actually see, she helped me over FaceTime. Here are all the ingredients. The soup is truly so simple and so easy to make. 2 containers of vegetable broth, salt, pepper, some dried bay leaves, as well as allspice, some extra virgin olive oil, I'm using 2 different types of bouillon cubes to add even more flavor, sour cream to add at the very end, 8 small beets, some garlic, 1 yellow onion, a few celery sticks, some carrots. That is so bad. Literally tears rolling down my face right now. Full tears.
On your skin, blue sky above yellow ground.
I've got my mom supervising on FaceTime. Onions, carrots, garlic, celery. I have this cooking with a cover. And I'm like putting it right in the recycling. Adding the bay leaf, some peppercorn, and allspice into the broth. 2 bouillon cubes. Before I add in the beets, we're gonna get this to a boil. So it's on medium high and I'm gonna cover it. My mom said to squeeze some lemon in here. It's gonna help with the color of the soup and more flavor. The full lemon, you think?
Yes.
Okay.
You can add white vinegar, but I think the lemon works better.
Okay. So we'll add this in maybe in like 5-10 minutes. And then also I chopped up the beet leaves, and this will be at the very end. You cook these for just like a few minutes. It'll wilt down like spinach. I'm only doing this much of the stems, so it's about half of what I cut up.
Ooh, it smells good.
Guys, I did not pay them to say this. The beet leaves, just for like a little bit of green. Honestly, they're not gonna add that much flavor. You guys might be able to hear that it's raining outside right now. We don't get a lot, so when we do, I lean into it. We're having a very cozy rainy day. Throwing it back, OG YouTube days. I want to do a little haul showing a couple things that I got for myself, as well as a few things for some friends, some loved ones. I'm starting to do my holiday gift shopping. I'm going to show you guys some things that I got from SÉZANE. First person to introduce me to this brand was Tyra. We were shopping in New York. I've had this jacket for like over a year now. It's a chocolatey trench, not a part of the haul, but I did want to shout it out because I recently got the black one. It's just so good. I chose pieces from their gift shop, so they actually have a gift guide online, which just makes it super easy and straightforward to pick out some gifts for your loved ones. Truly, SÉZANE has the perfect gift for anyone, including menswear, home, kids, obviously women's wear. So let's get into my little haul. I am so excited about these boots. Saw them, had to have them. Look at how gorgeous these are. Black, shiny, tall, kind of like heeled riding boot. I just love how stiff these are and so structured. Perfect fall winter boots. I also did pick up this sweater for myself. These buttons on the sleeves, so cute. Simple black ribbed sweater. I love the fit, easy, cozy staple. The rest of these are gifts for starters. So precious. I thought these candlesticks were so beautiful. Love that they come with candles, and I'm just gonna wrap a bow over this box, like a big red bow. I thought this jacket was so beautiful. Again, a little bit more lightweight. I have some painter shirts that remind me of this sort of like fit and shape, but I just thought this color was so gorgeous, so soft. Oh my gosh. I picked out this top for a friend. I loved the gold buttons down the center and the little cutout at the top. Just a cute little tailored sleeveless top. Chic, versatile, simple, can be worn so many different ways. I found this gold bracelet that I thought was so beautiful. This is like the perfect gold statement bracelet. I love how it's open right here. Lastly, they had so many beautiful scarves. I loved this like oat beige color. I just think this will go with anything. I love a big scarf that you can just like throw over your shoulders, wrap around your head if you need to. This is so cozy. I'm gonna link everything that I just showed you guys, and I think I want to include a few more. There were so many things that I was finding that were so good. So I'm just gonna give you guys some ideas in the description box. But all of this is from SÉZANE. Such a great one-stop shop. Thank you so much, SÉZANE, for working with me for this portion of today's video. I love you guys. Hey. Right now I'm packing for Ashe's wedding. We're flying to Nashville tomorrow morning. As you can see, tonight we went to the Nobody Wants This season 2 premiere. Oh my god, I love that show so much. Saw the first 2 episodes, they are so good. I binged that first season so quickly. We have to wake up at like 6:30 tomorrow, drinking a chamomile tea. I'm also gonna get on this vibrating plate. I'll show you guys. Let's vlog on the plate. I've only had this for like 4 days. I try to use it for like 10 to 20 minutes every day, either at the beginning or the end. This is probably so shaky, sorry. I'm gonna go finish packing. Oh, now you're shirtless.
Don't look.
We're in Tennessee, Franklin.
We're in Franklin.
We're in Franklin.
We're at the Harpeth.
We're at the Harpeth. And I have band-aids because I stubbed a toe.
While she was steaming my shirt.
While I was steaming one of his shirts, and I shouted to myself, but I'm doing a nice thing. I don't deserve this karma. This is just bad luck. I hit my toe and I have gel nail polish on my feet right now, and the entire gel came off, but a bunch of my nail came off with it. It's still there, but it's as thin as a sheet of paper. This Band-Aid feels like it's emphasizing something.
What the Band-Aid should protect you from is movement.
Yeah, but it's pressing down on the nail.
Right. Your nail is basically loose.
I don't know if it is.
Okay, but you're walking around and it's hurting.
Yeah.
That pain is looseness.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I guess it's just in pain now. Oh, the lighting in this bathroom is doing crazy things.
In a bad way?
In a bad way. And what is going on? Here we go. Wow, this is bad. Never mind. Today, I had a shoot day. I also shoot tomorrow. I absolutely anticipated this happening because last month was really crazy, but I knew this would happen, but I am just burning out. I'm burning out. By the end of it, my throat was really hurting, so I need to see if we have any throat coat because tomorrow it's going to be a lot of talking as well. Right now, I am going to do some work on the computer. I am so stressed and anxious about this vlog. I'm just so worried that I know that I don't have enough footage. I usually like when these videos are around 25 to 30 minutes long, and it's October 23rd, and I feel like I have 5 minutes worth of content so far. I swear, you guys, reading that book about sleep, I think it's like created this newfound anxiety within me because I haven't been getting a lot of sleep lately, and the nights that I do have the opportunity to sleep, I tend to get really anxious because I know that I need to sleep. When I'm super panicky, it's usually because I'm thinking about the future and trying to plan ahead and trying to be productive in my brain, which just turns into not being present. And it's my first sign is like I get really impatient, or just like my personality just shuts down if I see anyone, like if I'm in a social dynamic and I'm just thinking about all the things that I should be getting done at home, I become a shell of myself. And I feel like this month I've been like apologizing to the people around me and just being like, I know I don't have a personality right now. It's gonna come back, I swear. We are getting through it, you guys. We are getting through it. 2 hours later. Why is it not printing? No. Look at how small this text is. Right now I'm printing out my scripts for tomorrow. Whoa, what? No. Look at this dog pile.
He's a sleeping face.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
It's good for her too.
We are being lazy this year for Halloween. I also have this corset that I can wear underneath. I'm also going to a different plan and then packing this with me, so.
Oh my god.
They love a schoolgirl outfit.
Wow, I was not thinking about this while we were eating our.
The difference.
I know.
The difference between we're like, good job, honey.
I tried this earlier to see if this bra would work.
Exploding kittens.
Actually, the before and after is incredible.
What?
Oh. Did we do it?
We did it. We did it.
Yeah. Bravo.
Come swim on over. The light is insane right now.
Holy. Oh my god. It's really hard.
Oh, that's what's up. Huh? That's what's up.
That one felt good.
Felt really good.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Dude.
I think I'm good at it.
Crazy good, dude.
She's stunned. I'd just like to clarify for the viewer. This gets me laid.
What do I have to say about these tales? I grew up watching H2O, Aquamarine. My favorite princess was Ariel. As you can imagine, this was a dream come true. Haunted hayride, of course. So cute, so spooky. This is Halloween, this is Halloween, Halloween, Halloween. First costume of 2025. I went really hard last year. I'm really proud of my costumes from last year. This year, not so much. Tonight I'm gonna be a student. We'll have a corset, a tie, a little sweater.
Oh, us. Did you risk my career switching Lady Whitmore's medical
Shtick. Yeah.
enough?
It was insane. I couldn't believe I did it.
Cute.
It's okay. But then you made.
I'm vlogging. Do you need help?
Well, can't really figure out.
Wait. Let's put your arms in first. Yeah, because you also have all of these.
If I want, I have a cape.
You have a cape. You also have this. No way. Wow, you really have all of it. I think you should try to put on everything without the thing you're wearing, because this is really heavy.
No, it's ridiculous.
Yeah. Doing on that?
Yes.
Okay. Knight in shining armor. Incredible.
Is that what you are?
Happy Halloween. Beer girls. Last night's makeup was really intense, so kept it simple. Little pigtails, little braids. The pigtails are so cute.
Can you give me a number 1 through 100?
This year, Halloween was kind of sleepy in Los Angeles, at least between my friends and I. Last year, I remember just going so hard on the costumes. I think I had 4 or 5, and this year we just stick with 2. So I re-wore the student one, maxed it out, did the glasses, did the whole thing. And then on actual Halloween, we had a birthday party to go to that was also costume themed. I was a little beer girl with my little ponytails. Thank you. You picked up the
3. I picked up 3 of them.
worster of the 4. Like, you've picked up 3 pumpkins that were rotting. Mine is the last one to go, and this one's at least standing on its own.
Yeah. So you put your arms in it. Giant dog poop.
Yeah. Oh god.
No, this is. Oh. Oh.
Nice. Okay.
That was not bad. I think you really had the worst.
I hope you guys enjoyed a little peek into the past month of my life, and I will see you guys for the next one. Bye.